Academic editing and proofreading are crucial steps in the writing process for university students who aim to produce professional and evidence-based papers. Proper editing and proofreading enhance the clarity, coherence, and overall quality of your work. Here are some top tips to help you excel in these areas. Number 1. Take a break before editing. After completing your first draft, take a break before you begin editing. This break allows you to return to your work with a fresh perspective, making it easier to spot errors and inconsistencies. Number 2. Review for structure and content first. Start by reviewing the overall structure and content of your paper. Number 1. Thesis statement. Ensure your thesis is clear and well-defined. 2. Logical flow. Check that your arguments flow logically from one to the next. 3. Evidence. Verify that you have provided sufficient evidence to support your claims. Number 3. Focus on clarity and conciseness. Academic writing should be clear and concise. A. Avoid jargon. Use straightforward language and avoid unnecessary jargon. B. Simplify sentences. Break down complex sentences into simpler ones to improve readability. C. Eliminate redundancies. Remove redundant words and phrases to make your writing more concise. 4. Pay attention to style and tone. Ensure your writing style and tone are appropriate for academic work. A. Formal tone. Maintain a formal tone to avoid colloquialisms. B. Consistency. Ensure consistency in writing style, including the use of tenses and voice. Number 5. Check grammar and punctuation. Proper grammar and punctuation are essential for academic writing. A. Grammar. Use correct grammar. Include subject-verb agreement and proper tense usage. B. Punctuation. Ensure proper use of punctuation marks such as commas, semicolons, and periods. Number 6. Verify citations and references. Accurate citations and references are crucial in academic writing. A. Citation style. Follow the required citation style, e.g., APA, MLA, or Chicago. B. Consistency. Ensure consistency in citation formatting throughout the paper. C. Reference list. Verify that all sources cited in the text are included in the reference list and vice versa. Number 7. Use editing and proofreading tools. Leverage digital tools to assist in editing and proofreading. A. Grammar checkers. Tools like Grammarly can help identify grammatical errors and suggest corrections. B. Plagiarism checkers. Use plagiarism detection tools to ensure the originality of your work. Number 8. Seek feedback. Get feedback from peers, mentors, or professional editors. A. Peer review. Ask classmates or colleagues to review your paper and provide constructive feedback. B. Professional services. Consider using professional editing and proofreading services for expert assistance. Effective academic editing and proofreading are essential for producing high-quality, professional, and evidence-based papers. By following these tips, you can enhance the clarity, coherence, and overall quality of your writing. For professional assistance with editing and proofreading your academic papers, consider ordering from our website. Visit evidencebasedpractice.help/order to get started.